It's time for a proper update on my handy general tools pouch kit. The core elements like the Maxpedition fatty pouch and the overall tools are kinda the same since my last update, but I've tweaked it enough to warrant a new video, hence the version 3.5 designation. So on the outside at the rear I have placed a few feet of paracord next to some bigger zip ties. Then on the front I have the Leatherman bit sheet with just the metric ones, and next to it the Surge's saw and an aftermarket T-shank longer wood saw from Sabercut. They are mostly backups and they fit really well here. Now moving inside, from left to right, the Victorinox sharpener, it works really well given its size. The famous Vera Toolcheck Plus version 1, which has the securing button and the back pocket clip. I also optimized my bit selection for my needs, and it's worth mentioning that there is a second variant out which further improves the latch system, so I might review it soon, because my version is the discontinued one. Nothing beats the Hoto 24-in-1 precision bit screwdriver with its internal carousel storage. A synthetic oiler pen, regular Sharpie, a pair of Impact Phillips 2 longer bits, I just love how convenient they are. Then a new addition from 711L with its hybrid hex to socket adapter, a telescopic pickup tool, and a toothpick for finer tasks. Now this thing is worth to me its weight in gold. An amazing tool for most heavy duty metal cutting, the Knipex Cobalt bolt cutters. For example, this helped me to build all my custom Swiss Army knives. My favorite screwdriver system, the VH Centrofix. Some tape, a compact measuring tape, then the epic Knipex combo pliers in 125mm, the Surge needs no introduction, my main ratchet T-handle extension setup, the Prestacycle one, another amazing 711L tool, which is the best overbuilt inline hex ratchet adapter money can buy. The mini big lighter, hands-free lighting is provided thanks to the 9-core NU25UL. In the inner pocket we have my zip tie feed mechanism for quick access. Then a set of mini diamond rods, invaluable to me in my Swiss Army knife modding series, a pair of gloves, a bag with bags and various size of heat shrink tubing, 2 glue sticks that I melt with a lighter of course, and that's it.